that provide 50 years data access to the final published version of their article on Science Direct. The link can also be used for sharing. You can see.com, share on paper or as a PDF. You can order paper of prints before publication using the provided of print order form. If your journal doesn't issue paper prints and standard, you will pay a small fee once you have submitted the order form. You should allow 30 to submission. You can order paper or prints from the Elsevier author or webshops.elsevier.com. You can order from 20 to 25 of prints and with optional covers. Then copyright. When you publish with Elsevier, you enter into a legal agreement. This means that both we are Elsevier and you as a author agree to certain rights and responsibilities, promise to act in a legally sound manner. Protecting author rights. Copyright aims to protect the specific way the article has been written to describe the research and its result. Elsevier is committed to the protection and defense of the author's work and reputation, to take allegations of infringement and plagiarism, ethical disputes, and fraud very seriously. Publishing agreement. In order for Elsevier to be able to publish and disseminate your article, we need certain publishing permission. These permissions are defined by a publishing agreement between the author and the publisher. You will be asked to complete a journal publishing agreement or license during the time between your article's acceptance and its final version. For more information, please see elsevier.com or copyright. Then end user license. If you have chosen to publish your article Gold Open Access, you also select an end user license to determine how readers can share and use your article without having to permission. Elsevier offers a choice of commercial and non-commercial user license, so you can see the license which suits your types of research. That for health and medical sciences journals, there are different resolutions. Before choosing an end user license, we recommend that you understand what is user license permits and the rights to grants to reader for using your article. Check if your finding body or institution has a policy requiring the use of a specific license. Read your journal's guide for authors to ensure it offers the license you want to use. Visit the creativecommons.organization site for more information on what to consider before selecting a user license. For more information, you can see elsevier.com open access licenses. Then monitor your impact. It's worth bearing in mind that your peers and tutors monitor your impact. Being aware of this to the most appropriate place, and also position yourself by proactively supplying information about your own performance. Just like when you have considering where to publish, the best approach to monitoring your impact is to have multiple ways of assessing your performance. You are at an early stage in your career. You can use metrics that don't require longer time frames. Collaboration. How big is your network? What's the status of colleagues in your network? Where in the world are they located? Scholarly output. How productive are you? Uses. How open have your publications been viewed? Article metrics. Who's talking about paper online and who's being said? Journal status. What is the average citation impact of all articles in a journal is a useful proxy for the impact your articles will achieve when they have had time to accumulate citation. When you are at a later stage in your research career with a sizable output and impressive number of citations, further metrics can then become useful. Citation count. How many citation articles receive? Outstanding articles. Which of your articles are in the top percentile? Comparable articles. High index ACE index, this rate your entire publication career based on both output and citation impact. An ACE index of 11 indicates that 11 of a researcher articles have each received at least 11 citation. Mendeley stats gives you publication read as an author. Stats help you understand in greater details and with greater speed how your publication are being read, shared, and cited. Then article metrics, who is taking about papers online and what's being said. Article metrics allow you to track, analyze online activity around your article. Online social media sites, that means Twitter, Facebook, science blogs, many mainstream media outlets, including the Times of the Guardian's non-English language publications like DIGIT and Le Monde, and special interest publications like Scientific American and New Scientist, and references managers for mentions of academic papers via our journal homepage. We like to show top 10 list of publications and percentile comparison to articles of the same type will only be displayed if data is available. Then why publish with Elsevier? Of course, you will consider other publishers and journals for your article. Why Elsevier? Well, chances are that the leading journal in your field of expert, the Lancet, if you are a medical scientist, is published by Elsevier. You put thousands of journals and books, including many of the world's most renowned titles such as Cell and Tetra Tetrahedron business. We also pride ourselves on our innovation approach, offering online service, article-based publishing, and new types of open access publishing, including research elements, which allow you to publish research outputs such as data, software, methods, videos, and more. We are constantly looking for ways to make your articles easier to find, and start lets you monitor your then incident authority Elsevier by optimizing the platform and indexing that your article is visible and can be found more easily by search engine library discovery services, A&I databases, and other search and this connections tools. Your article will be accessible immediately after acceptance and has a unique DOI, digital object identifier, available version. Publisher initiative cross-reference, which creates direct link between your article and those that are cite you. The crossmark logo in online PDF or HTML documents helps recent and reliable version of your work. So you can visit also sciencedirect.com. Then Scopus and ORCID database of peer-reviewed literature, scientific journal, books, and visualize scholarly research. It has than 800 titles obtained from the over 5,000 publishers worldwide, ensure broad interdisciplinary coverage in the field of science, technology, medicine, science, and arts and humanities. For authors, Scopus can simplify the search for relevant full text content and potential research partners with advanced search functions and email alerts on specific topics, people, and institutions. Scopus lets you search for the relevant topics or articles during the literature review phase decide or in your deciding you see the high index and output information, explore how many citation an article or author has received, and identify potential collaboration. Find information to support your grant or other applications. Additionally, Scopus helps you manage your research output and information reputation. Just sign up to the receive citation alerts to then use the Scopus Author profile page to review and analyze your output, including your high index. That you can visit also scopus.com. Then ORCID, Open Researcher and Contributor ID, ORCID.organization seeks to remedy the systematic name ambiguity problem seen in scholarly research by assigning unique identifiers linkable to an individual's research output. You can now up-to-date both your Scopus and your ORCID at scopusfeedback.com. Please follow the easy steps online. Then references, the list alphabetically all the references materials that have been cited in the text of the report. Referencing your paper, references need to contain all works cited in the text. References should consistently follow on recognizable systems. Basically, there are three types of formats that usually people can follow. One is the MLA format, Modern Language Association, is the official guide to non-fiction writing widely adopted by schools